Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I painted my headlights. This is the completed headlight. As you see, we got the blue accent running down all across the bottom. I painted the reflector housing here and the projector shroud and kept the reflector over here and in here. I do have a lot of you guys asking me how I painted it, how hard was it, and was this worth doing? To answer all those questions in a nutshell, it's super easy to do and it's 100% worth it. It will definitely change the look of your car. If you guys are wondering, I'm not running a bulb there because this headlight is different from the USDM OEM headlight. This is a UAE styled headlight. So this does require a different harness as well as bulb sockets, which I don't have. I haven't bought them yet because I don't really drive this car. Project Civic is the one that takes me places. That is my daily and grocery getters. But when I do drive it, this is sealed off so it won't leak or have any condensation in the headlight. The low beams is in the projector, of course. We got the high beam here. And then we got the daytime and blinkers here. So essentially I'm just utilizing these three and this is just a dummy for now. But I'll eventually get the harness and the bulb sockets in and get that fixed. Hoping to do an LED switchback, that'd be nice. Without further ado, let's go ahead and put you guys on a time lapse. I did not press the record button while I was doing the second portion of it. So, as you guys saw, I used the stained glass soft blue by Krylon. After painting it and letting it settle, the blue came out too light for me. I didn't really like it. So then I switched over to the sea glass cornflower by Krylon. And this is the blue that is in the accent right there. Again, these are stained glass paint. This is not your typical spray paint. So if you spray these on top of the chrome, you still have the chrome showing through, which gives it that nice high gloss look. And that was about, I think 3 to 4 coats. Also for the black, I used Rust-Oleum flat black. But yeah, I've been running this set of headlights for about 5 to 6 months now. No issues at all. The paint is still holding up well. And at certain angles, see that? That blue reflects onto the projector, which is very nice. Better angle on this side. Right there, see it? Very nice little touch. I went with the blue to match my brake calipers. I think the white, blue, and black complements the 9th gens very well. I think this color combo looks great on the 9th gens. Yeah, so hopefully we get some blue seats in here soon, and I'm thinking about getting a suede steering wheel. If not, then I'm probably just gonna wrap it with the suede because I do want to keep my iMed controls and my Bluetooth functions. So I want to give a huge shout out to Mervin for hooking me up with these headlights. Go check him out. He does have a super clean, supercharged 9th gen. Alright, so that will conclude it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in on this one. If you guys haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to DM me or post a comment down below. I'll answer those questions to the best of my ability. But again, this is a very easy process that will make a huge difference on your car. Just take your time and be patient with it, and the outcome will be worthwhile. Thanks you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.